Hello guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipain na rin yung tiny bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa cover song ni Morissette. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to, kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Okay, bilang tayo ulit guys on 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go.
No, I can take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. Baba.
Talented ni Mori, no?
No, I'm not your ghost anymore. You lost the love I love the most.
Galing.
I learned to live half a life.
Galing niya, no?
Now you want me one more time.
Wow.
And who do you think you are?
Wow.
Running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts, and tearing love apart.
Oh my God, it's giving me a goosebumps.
From the ice inside your soul, so don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? I hear you're asking all around if I'm anywhere to be found.
Partida, nakaupo pa yan, ha? Galing.
But I've grown too strong
Wow. Ang galing niya.
to ever fall back in your arms. I learned to live half a life.
Wow.
And now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts, and tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul.
Sarap pakinggan guys. Nakaka-relax. Wow. Ang galing niya.
Running round, leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts, and tearing love apart. You're
Wow.
gonna catch cold from the ice inside your soul. Don't come back for me. Don't come back at all. Who do you think you are?
Iba talaga. Iba talaga ang nag-iisang Morissette Amon. Thank you so much. Alright. Kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kang mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po.